Today in this video we will see what to do if you see an exclamation mark on your Wi-Fi symbol here. If you have Wi-Fi connected to your Android device and if the internet is working properly, you will see this up arrow and down arrow on the side of Wi-Fi symbol. But if you see an exclamation mark, then we will know what does that mean and what can you do to try to fix this issue. Now if you see there is an exclamation mark on the side of this Wi-Fi symbol, it means that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, but for some reason the internet is not working in your Android device. Now there might be many reasons for that one. One of the reason might be because of the problem in the ISP, internet service provider. The other reason might be because of the wrong IP address which is provided by the router. Also the router might be faulty, or you might not have paid your bill for the internet, due to which the internet was disconnected. So there are many reasons for that one, and let's see how to try to fix the issue. The first thing what we will do is we will switch off the router and then we will switch on after few seconds. So when you switch off the router and switch on the router, what happens is the router will assign a new IP address to your Android device. Might be the IP address which was assigned to you by the router, it might be conflicting with the other devices which you are using. So simply restarting the router will assign a new IP address, and in most of the cases simply restarting the router will fix the issue. The other thing what we will do is we will go to settings, we will go to connections, we will go to Wi-Fi, we will select our Wi-Fi, advanced. Now suppose if you have used static and if you have manually entered the IP address here, then what we will do is we will select DHCP and then save. So we are assigning the router to automatically assign IP address to our device. So once you do that one, check if the internet connection is working now or not. Now if this does not fix the issue, what you will do is you will call your ISP, internet service provider, and then you will notify about the issue. And if from their side also there is no problem, and if you had paid the bills for internet, then that might be a problem with the faulty router, and in that case you have to change the router. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.